Hi, Kamara babes, and welcome back. And if you are new, welcome. The hair that I will be doing today is from Upermall store. This is a body wave lace front human hair 180 density 13x4 HD transparent lace. Pre-plucked with baby hair. You can also wear this glueless. This is Brazilian virgin hair. Also, it is natural black 20 inches, you guys. And everything that I just said, it checks. The density was super good. And the length, I feel like it went over 20 inches. So you will get like a little of extra length in this hair as well. You guys, this is some beautiful hair. You know I love Brazilian hair. Also, it's HD lace, ladies. So you know we're always looking into the lace. So this is HD transparent lace, which was also awesome to work with. Here we go with Kyra, putting it on her head and looking to see what's pre-plucked and what's not, and looking at the lace, how you would see it on someone's head. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know the next time your girl posts. Stay tuned. Hi, you guys. You have reached. Why did you laugh?
I'm sorry.
Okay, you have reached the install part. I'm pretty sure you have seen the other part of the video. So thank you guys so much for getting to this part. So of course you already know what part this is. This is the install part. But this is my beautiful niece who I will be installing the wig on today. Oh wait. If you haven't already went and checked this video out, honey, go check this video out. Period, boo. Period. Okay, so this is my beautiful niece, Anna. Kamara gang, all the way. True number one. She is my number one, y'all, and I love her to death. So today, we're going to take this time out and install this unit on her. She really did like the color to the root. So that's what we're going to do with a wild cherry. So, anything you want to say to the people?
Stay tuned. It's going down.
It's going down in the deal. Okay, y'all, stay tuned. So, we'll see you at the end result. Yes, ladies, we have reached the ending point. As you guys can see, this is some beautiful hair and she is loving it. You guys, all the products that I use, which that developer for the bleach is super good. The color is on point and she is on fire. Check that description box. Love you guys.